In the wise words of Wu-Tang Clan,
cash rules everything around me. Queen, get the money. Dollar bill, yo.
Cash is king. Or as the soon-to-step-down CEO of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, says this about cash flow or cash flow statements. If you look at academic studies, you can see that stock prices are most closely correlated with cash flow. It's such a straightforward number. Cash flow is what will drive shareholder returns. Hit it. What's up, everybody? Shawn McMurray here with another episode of Analytical Overdrive, investing in 4 minutes. And today, I have a banger for y'all. Today, we take our good friend Jeff Bezos, Michael Dell, Richard Branson, Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki's suggestion and learn how to read cash flow statements. I'm not a betting man, but if I had to place a bet on this being Santa Claus pockets important, I'm all in. 4 minutes? Yeah. We are going to break this into 3 segments. 1. What is a cash flow statement? 2. Important areas to look at, i.e. net cash from operating activities and free cash flow. Lastly, my conclusion. What is a cash flow statement? Quite simply, a cash flow statement tracks the amount of cash that flows in and out of the business for the current year. That may be a bit confusing at first because you're like, well, doesn't an income statement do that? No. A cash flow statement tracks exactly how much cash you have on hand. Let's get into the important areas to look at. Remember, we are not doing any analysis here. The goal is just to show you how to find the cash flow statement and what data you'll need to perform analysis on in the next video. This video here in the corner will show you step by step how to find the 10K via the company's website or Yahoo Finance. The first of the 2 we will look at is net cash flow from operating activities. This section of the cash flow statement explains the sources and uses of cash from ongoing regular business activities in a given period. This usually includes net income from the income statement, adjustments to net income, and changes in working capital. This is important because it actually tells us how much cash is collected from the day-to-day operations of the business. The next area we want to look at is free cash flow. This is the amount of cash that is available for us, the shareholders, after all key expenses. So if the business stopped today, the remaining cash after expenses would be free cash flow and the money that would come back to us. The formula for this is free cash flow equals operating cash flow minus capital expenditures. Looking at the 10K, that would be operating cash flow right here minus purchases of property and equipment. Voila! You have free cash flow. On Yahoo Finance, that information is already calculated, which is why I love using it. And that's it. Remember, MVP. If you didn't get it, the whole point of this exercise is to help you understand cash flow statements and identify the important information you'll need in order to perform analysis of that poverty-escaping stock pick winner. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this information to analyze Amazon's cash flow statements. If you're a fan of the Wu-Tang Clan, go ahead and smash the like button. It really helps the channel out. Comment below with your favorite Wu-Tang song, and don't forget to superscribe. Yes, superscribe, which means subscribe and hit that notification bell so you ensure you get notifications for all the latest videos. I'm Shawn McMurray. This is my channel investing in 4 minutes. Yeah.